Ever wondered how to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys using herbs? The kidneys play an essential role in our bodies, filtering waste and excess substances from our blood. They're our body's unsung heroes, working round the clock to keep us healthy. But just like any other organ, they need care and maintenance. And what better way to do this than by using nature's own pharmacy, herbs? They're not only natural but also packed with potent compounds that can aid detoxification. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 3 herbs that can naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. First up on our list is parsley, a common herb with uncommon kidney benefits. This green powerhouse is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and excess fluid from your body. It's chock full of antioxidants, which combat inflammation, a common culprit behind kidney issues. Incorporating parsley into your daily diet is as simple as sprinkling it on your favorite dishes, or sipping on some parsley tea. Interesting, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Next on our list is the powerful stinging nettle, a potent kidney cleanser. This herb is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a rich history of aiding kidney health. Its diuretic properties help flush out toxins, boosting your kidney's natural detoxification process. Plus, it's chock full of vital nutrients like iron and calcium. To reap its benefits, brew a warm cup of stinging nettle tea, but remember, always handle it with care to avoid its infamous sting. Now let's move on to our final herb. Last but not least, meet dandelion, a common weed with extraordinary benefits for your kidneys. Dandelion, often dismissed as a pesky intruder in our gardens, is a powerhouse of detoxifying properties. Bursting with antioxidants, it helps to eliminate toxins from your body, particularly your kidneys. It's a natural diuretic, meaning it promotes urination, aiding in the removal of waste from your body. Beyond detoxification, dandelion also supports overall kidney health by keeping inflammation and kidney stones at bay. The best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Think dandelion tea or even a fresh dandelion salad. So, let's not underestimate this humble garden dweller. Now you know the top 3 herbs to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. So, ready to give your kidneys the detox they deserve? Let's recap. Parsley, stinging nettle, and dandelion. Each offers unique benefits to cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys naturally. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments which herb you're excited to try, or any other natural kidney detox methods you found useful. And remember, sharing is caring, so don't forget to share this video with someone who might benefit from it.